Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, unboxing aficionados across the world. Got another one for you today. This ship from Cleveland, Ohio. This is an Amazon Prime unboxing. I'm not sponsored by Amazon Prime, any of the products that are mentioned in this box, or Cleveland, Ohio, but I would love to be. As always, thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, check out some of my other ones. Usually I find when I'm doing these unboxings, I'm doing like 10 in one day. And I'm being really lazy about doing them, so I do apologize for that. As always, thank you so much for watching my videos. So first up, we've got this entire case of... Oh wow, there's a coupon too. Hell yeah. They gave me a coupon, 75 cents off any nut thins. Hell yeah. So this is Blue Diamond brand wasabi and soy sauce almonds. Yeah. Hell yeah. Gotta utilize the heck out of this coupon, that's for sure. So, a little spice to it. I try to have healthy snacks. I got some Naproxen sodium. This is great if you have joint, hip, knee, ankle issues, back. This is, and it's gluten-free. So this is for an anti-inflammatory. It works better for me than ibuprofen, I found. Second to last, we got this Brach's fruit slices. Bear with me. I bought a case of them. This is sugar-free fruit slices, individually wrapped jelly candy. Consumption may cause stomach discomfort and/or laxative effect. Individual tolerance will vary. We success started with 1/3 of serving or less. So this could make you poop. Last but not least, oh wow, this ship from LaPorte. That's about an hour or so away from where I live in South Bend, Indiana. I've been to LaPorte quite a bit, not in a long time. Hidden red vines, which is crazy delicious. I can smell them. They smell amazing. I bought a whole case of red vines. Sugar-free red vines, I should say. Strawberry twists, not a reduced calorie food. Wow, I didn't know they were from LaPorte. That's crazy. This does not have the you might poop warning. As always, thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, and check out some of my other ones. If you have a recommendation for something to do a taste test and review of, leave a comment below. I will be doing taste test and reviews of most of the products that you just saw in this video. I gotta clean this mess up because I just kind of threw stuff everywhere. As always, I wish you the best. Have a great day.